Good morning and welcome back 6th class. I hope you're all doing fine. In previous classes, we did chapter number 3. We completed exercises 3.1 and 3.2 in which we did factors and multiples, prime numbers and composite numbers. Today, we will be continuing the same chapter but we will be introducing a new topic that is divisibility test. ठीक है, आपको divisibility से क्या समझते हैं? Divisibility means if we divide a number by another number. Suppose if we divide 10 by 2, it is 2 5s are 10. Remainder क्या है आपका 0. ठीक है, if remainder is 0, it means this number 10 is divisible by 2. Suppose we take another number, suppose 13. Okay, if we divide it by 2, it is 12. Remainder is 1. It is not equal to 0. Then this number will not be 13 is not divisible by 2. Okay. So we can see that we are performing long division to check if a number is divisible by 2 or for any other number also we have to perform long division. But what if we don't want to perform long division, still we want to know if a number is divisible by certain number or not. उसके लिए आपके पास क्या है? Divisibility test. We have divisibility test for various numbers. We will be starting with 2. Divisibility test for 2 says that if a number has 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its ones place, then that number will be divisible by 2. Okay? It says that a number is divisible by 2 if it has 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its ones place. Okay. Take another number, suppose 5, 4, 4, 7. Ones place पे क्या digit है आपका? 7. 7 is neither of these. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 में से कोई भी नहीं है. It means this number is not divisible by 2. इसमें आपको पूरा long division नहीं करना पड़ा, नंबर नहीं खींचना पड़ा, and you can easily tell that this number is not divisible by 2. Suppose we have 5, 4, 4, 0, 5, 4, 4, 8, 5, 4, 4, 7, 5, 4, 4, 1. You can easily tell within a second this number is divisible by 2, this is divisible by 2, this is not, this is not. Okay. How? By just checking the last digit number or ones place digit. Next we have divisibility test for number 3. Divisibility test for number 3 says that a number is divisible by 3 if sum of its digits is divisible by 3. What does it mean? A number is divisible by 3 if the number formed by the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Okay? Take 2 examples. One is 1024 and second suppose 10 or 1107. Okay? Take first number. We have to form a number by sum of its digits. Sum of digits क्या हो गया आपका यहाँ पर 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 4. It will be 7. 7 is divisible by 4? No. It means 1024 is not divisible by 3. Okay. In second example, we have 1107. The sum of digits will be 1 plus 1 plus 0 plus 7. 1 plus 1, 2, 0, 7, it means 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Yes, divisible by 3. It means 1107 is divisible by. Next we have divisibility test for digit 4. It says that a number with 3 or more digits is divisible by 4 if number formed by its last 2 digits is divisible by 4. Okay, we have suppose number 31412. Number formed by last 2 digits is 12. 12 is divisible by 4, right? Because 12 comes in table of 4. It means the whole number will also be divisible by 4. Okay? How will write it? A number with 3 or more digits is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last 2 digits is divisible by 4. Okay, we can take another example. Suppose 5447. Last two digits are 4 and 7. Number formed is 47. Is 47 divisible by 4? We'll check. No, because remainder is not equal to 0. 47 is not divisible by 4. It means this number is not divisible by 4. Okay. Next we will move on to divisibility by 5. 5 is quite easy to understand. It is simple in a way that you have to check one's place. If one's place is 0 or 5, it means that number is divisible by 5. It says that a number is divisible by 5 if it has 0 or 5 in its ones place. Okay? I will write down few numbers like 515, 417, 32, 10, 5, 5, 8. Okay? We will have to check if these numbers are divisible by 5 or not. In this number, last digit is 5. So it is divisible by 5. In this number, last digit is 7. So it is not divisible by 5. In this number, last digit is 2. So this number is not divisible by 5 because it has to be 0 or 5. In this number, we have last digit as 8. It is not divisible by 5. Okay? Next we have divisibility test for number 6. Divisibility test for number 6 is quite different in the sense that it depends upon two tests. It means that suppose we take a number 24. तो 24 के लिए इसके कोई अलग से टेस्ट नहीं है. We will have to check if this number is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. If this number is divisible by 2 and 3 both numbers, then this number will be divisible by 6 also. Okay, so it depends upon divisibility test for 2 and divisibility test for 3. इसको चेक करते हैं. 24 divisibility test for 2 क्या था, याद करिए. उसमें था लास्ट डिजिट, वंस डिजिट should be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. It is 4. It means it is divisible by 2. ठीक है. Now we have to check divisibility by 3. Divisibility by 3 says that sum of digits क्या होगा आपका? 2 plus 4 sum of digits is 2 plus 4, that is 6. 6 is divisible by 3, right? Then 24 is also divisible by 3. And because it is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3, it means this number is divisible by 6. ठीक है. Suppose we will take another example. Suppose we have 1, 1, 2. So we will check divisibility by 2 first. Divisibility by 2. ठीक है. इसमें देखो last digit is 2, once digit is 2, it means it is true. ठीक है. Now we'll check divisibility by 3. We will have to check sum of digits. Sum of digits आपका क्या हो जाएगा? 1 plus 1 plus 2, that is 4. 4 is divisible by, is 4 divisible by 3? No. It means this number 112 is not divisible by 3. अब देखिए, we have a number which is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3. Will it be divisible by 6 or not? Answer will be no, because definition क्या है आपकी? It should be divisible by both numbers 2 as well as 3. इसको proper words में कैसे लिखेंगे? A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. एक आपको पॉइंट आपको याद रखना है that you have to check divisibility by divisibility test, not by long division, otherwise it will become wrong. ठीक है. आपको एग्जाम में पूछा जाएगा अगर divisibility test for 6, you have to perform divisibility test for these two, not the long division method. Okay. Next we have divisibility test for number 8. Divisibility test for 8 is quite similar to 4. 4 में क्या था आपका? It should be a 3-digit number or more, and a last number formed by last 2 digits is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. Divisibility test by 8 says that for any 4-digit number or larger, if the number formed by last 3 digits is divisible by 8, then the whole number will also be divisible by 8. मैं repeat करती हूँ. If the number formed by last 3 digits is divisible by 8, then the whole number will also be divisible by 8. A number of 4 digits or more is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its last 3 digits is divisible by 8. We can take another example. Suppose we take 8017. Okay, it is a 4-digit number. Number formed by last 3 digits is 017 or 17. Is 17 divisible by 8? No. So this number is not divisible by 8. आपको कोई लॉन्ग कैलकुलेशन करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी, लॉन्ग डिवीजन करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. यू कैन डायरेक्टली टेल दैट दिस नंबर इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 8. नेक्स्ट वी हैव डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट फॉर नंबर 9. नंबर 9 का आपका इज क्वाइट सिमिलर टू नंबर 3. नंबर 3 में क्या था आपका, इफ यू रिमेंबर, नंबर 3 divisibility test is if the sum of digits is divisible by 3 then the whole number will also be divisible by 3. 9 का भी similar है, if the sum of digits of a number is divisible by 9 then that number will also be divisible by 9. Suppose we have 513. ठीक है, sum of digits is 5 plus 1 plus 3, 5 plus 1 6 plus 3 9. 9 is divisible by 9. It means 513 is divisible by 9. So we will write it as a number is divisible by 9 if the number formed by its sum of digits is divisible by 9. ठीक है, take another example. Suppose we have 1 2 3 1 1 1. ठीक है, 1 2 3 1 1 1. sum of digits क्या होगा इसमें? sum of digits will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3 6 7 8 9 9. 9 is divisible by 9. It means this number is divisible by 9. ठीक है, now we have 2 more tests. First is for 10 and then for 11. 10 is quite easy. You can easily tell if a number is divisible by 10 or not. I will write some numbers. Suppose 1 1 10, 100, 2 1 2, 1000, 1 1 1 4. ठीक है, you can easily tell this number is divisible by 10, this is divisible by 10, this is not, this is. कैसे? Because it has all these numbers, all these 4 numbers have 0 in its ones place, in its units place. It means अगर आपके units place पर 0 है, it means that number is divisible by 10. ठीक है, if a number has 0 in its units place, then that number is divisible by 10. 0 एक और डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट में आई थी. किस में आई थी? नंबर 5 के लिए. उसमें क्या था डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट बाय 5 में? इफ ए नंबर हैज 0 और 5 इन इट्स units place then that number is divisible by 5. और 10 में क्या है आपका? only 0. अगर 0 है तो it means it is divisible by 10. अगर 0 और 5 है या 0 है या 5 है then that number is divisible by 10. Next is, and the last one is divisibility test for number 11. 11 का सबसे different है. कैसे? Suppose we have a number 1 2 2 1, another number 1 2 3 2 1. ठीक है, what we will do, we will start from right and we will add numbers on, this is odd place, this is even place, ठीक है, odd place पे numbers को हम add करते जाएंगे, ठीक है, ठीक है. sum of digits on odds place क्या है आपकी 1 + 2, कितना हो गया आपका 3. फिर आप क्या करेंगे, even place पर sum of digits on even place क्या होगी आपकी 2 + 1, 2 + 1 अगेन 3, ठीक है. ऐसे ही इसके लिए भी ट्राई करते हैं. इसमें देखो सम ऑफ डिजिट्स ऑन ऑड प्लेस क्या होगा, दिस दिस एंड दिस, 1 + 3 + 1 दैट इज 4, ठीक है. ये है सम ऑफ डिजिट्स ऑन इवन प्लेस 2 + 2 दैट इज 4. अब divisibility test for 11 क्या है, you will calculate these two and after calculation you will find the difference. If the difference is 0 or divisible by 11 then that number is divisible by 11. In this case आपका difference कितना है, आपका 0 because 3 - 3 is 0 and in this case also difference is 4 - 4 that is 0. In both cases it is 0. It means both these numbers are divisible by 11. अब एक ऐसा नंबर लेते हैं that is not divisible by 11. उसको चेक करते हैं. Suppose we have number 1 2 3 4 5 1. ठीक है. Now we will find out sum of digits on odd place. It is 1 + 4 + 2 that is 7. Then we calculate sum of digits on even place. Even place पे we have 5 + 3 + 1. We will start from right, not left. 5 + 3 8, 8 + 1 9. ठीक है. Now difference is 9 - 7. You have to subtract smaller number from bigger number. It doesn't matter यहाँ पर bigger number है या यहाँ पर bigger number है. You will have to just subtract smaller from bigger. Difference is 2. Now 2 is not divisible by 11. Okay. So this number is not divisible by 11. Okay. Now we will write it in words. If the difference between sum of digits at odd places, we have to remember that we will start from right. Starting from right. If the difference between sum of digits at odd places and sum of digits at even places is 0 or multiple of 11, then that number is divisible by 11. Okay. If the difference between sum of digits at odd place and sum of digits at even places is 0 or multiple of 11, then that number is divisible by 11. Now we will do some questions from the exercise. Now we will do part 6 of question number 1 so that we can revise all the divisibility tests that we have done till now. Number is 69210 and we have to check divisibility of this number by all the numbers we have studied till now. Okay. First we will check by 2. By 2, if you remember correctly, the number on units place should be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Okay, as the number on units place is 0, it means this number is divisible by 2. So you will write, yes, this number is divisible by 2. Reason being, the number at units place is 0. By 3, if you remember correctly, the sum of digits of that number should be divisible by 3. So we'll find out sum of digits of this number. It will be 6 plus 3 plus 9 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0. It will be 21. As 21 is divisible by 3, because it comes in table of 3, it means this number is also divisible by 3. Next we have to check divisibility by 4. 4 के लिए आपको क्या criteria था? You have to find the number formed by last two digits. The last two digits are 1 and 0, and the number formed by last two digits is क्या है आपका 10. Is 10 divisible by 4? Is 10 divisible by 4? No, because remainder is 2, which is not 0. It means this number is 639210 is not divisible by 4. ठीक है? Next is divisibility by 5. Quite easy. Last digit is 0. It means it is divisible by 5. आपका टेस्ट क्या था? The number on units place should be 0 or 5. So it is divisible by 5. Now divisibility by 6. 6 में क्या था? If the number is divisible by 2 as well as 3. 2 आपने चेक किया, आंसर क्या था आपका? Yes. 3 में चेक किया आपने, आंसर क्या था? Yes, it is divisible. It means 6 में भी क्या होगा आपका? Yes, it is divisible by 6. After 6 you will check for divisibility by number 8. Number 8 में क्या था आपका? If you remember, the number formed by last 3 digits. Last 3 digits से क्या नंबर बन गया आपका? 210. If this number is divisible by 8, it means this number is divisible by 8. ठीक है? 210. Is this divisible by 8? No. Why? Because remainder is 2, which is not 0. It means that 639210 is not divisible by 8. ठीक है? Next we have number 4. Divisibility by 9. और 9 का आपका कैसा रहता है? Same as 3. Sum of digits is 6 plus 3 plus 9 plus 2 plus 1, which came out to be 21. 21 9 से divisible है? नहीं. It means this number is not divisible by 9. ठीक है? 9 के बाद 10. You can do 10 by itself because last digit is 0. It will be divisible by 10. अब है आपका 11. 11 में क्या था आपका? You have to find the difference. Difference किसका? The sum of digits at odd places and sum of digits at even places. ठीक है? That and the difference should be 0 or any multiple of 11. ठीक है? First we will find out sum of digits at odd places. ठीक है? Odd places we will start from right this. ठीक है? So it is 0 plus 2 plus 3. It means it is 5. Now we will find out sum of digits at even places. Okay, it will be 1, 9 and 6. 1 plus 9 plus 6. It will be 16. Okay. Now we will have to find the difference of these two. It will be 16 minus 5. We have to subtract smaller number from bigger number. Okay. It came out to be 11. 11 is multiple of 11. It means this number is divisible by 11. It means yes, this number is divisible by 11. Clear? Now question number 2, 3, 4 we can do by ourselves. We will do a part of question number 5 as it is different from other questions. In this question we are provided with a number. Number is dash 6724. We have to find out the number which can be put here so that this number is divisible by 3. The smallest we have to actually we have to tell two numbers, the smallest number and the greatest number that can be put here so that this number is divisible by 3. Divisibility by 3 rule says that the sum of digits should be divisible by 3. The sum of digits in this case will be number that will come here. Suppose number is star. Okay, star plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. Okay, it will be star because we don't know what that number is, so we will be putting it as it is 6, 6, 13, 15, 19. Okay, it is sum of digits is coming to be 19 plus star. Okay, this number should be divisible by 3. It means this number should come in table of 3. So it can be 21, it can be 24, it can be 27. Okay, in case this number is 21, then star came out to be 2 because 19 plus 2 will be 21. In case it is 24, star will come out to be 5, and in case it is 27, it will come out to be 8. It means we have three options. It can be 2, it can be 5, it can be 8. So, and the smallest one is this, greatest one is this. So, smallest number required so that this number is divisible by 3 is 2, and the greatest number required so that this number is divisible by 3 is 8. Okay.